Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to get out and experience the thrill of the open road? Whether you are a new or a seasoned cyclist, having the right bike is essential to an enjoyable ride. If you're looking for the best starting bike, you've come to the right place. The ideal bike for a first-time rider must have the right features. It should be lightweight enough to make it easily maneuverable and sturdy sufficient to provide a smooth and comfortable ride. When choosing the right starting bike, there are many options to consider. In this video, we'll show you the best starting bikes for you in the market and their benefits. So don't wait any longer, take the plunge and find the perfect bike. Let's begin with the best for the price. Huffy Stone Mountain Bike. The Huffy Stone Mountain Bike is a versatile and sturdy option for trail enthusiasts. Its gloss red hardtail frame looks impressive and offers durability for off-road adventures. The 21-speed capabilities, thanks to the indexed Shimano TZ31 rear derailleur and micro-shift twist shifter, allow you to conquer uphill climbs, accelerate quickly, or enjoy a smooth descent. The Colo 1200 suspension fork ensures a comfortable ride by handling bumps and dips effectively. Additionally, the 24-inch by 1.95-inch knobby tires provide excellent traction on bike paths, while the linear pull handbrakes deliver consistent stopping power. The slightly raised handlebar minimizes strain on your back and shoulders, and the ATB-type resin pedals and Kraton grips offer comfortable handling. The only minor drawback is that the handlebar can be a bit slippery, requiring occasional nut tightening. And the next one is the best lightweight Schwinn High Timber Bike. The Schwinn High Timber Bike is an excellent choice for riders seeking versatility and durability. Its lightweight 16-inch steel frame ensures easy maneuverability and fits riders from 5 feet 5 inches to 6 feet tall. The twist shifters and rear derailleur allow quick and effortless gear changes, making it suitable for various terrains. The wide knobby mountain tires, combined with lightweight and durable alloy wheels, provide stability and balance in different weather and terrain conditions. Besides, the front and rear alloy linear pull brakes ensure secure stopping power and speed control. The 21-speed twist shifters offer precise gear changes on the trail, while the Schwinn alloy crank provides optimal gearing and reduces maintenance requirements. The quick-release seat post allows easy adjustments, enhancing comfort during long rides. Nevertheless, the front shift can be a bit clunky, but once you get used to it, it won't affect your overall riding experience. And the next one is the best design, Kulana Cruiser Bike. Cruising along the boardwalk or exploring the town, the Kulana Lacona Wave Cruiser Bike is a delightful companion for sunny adventures. Its steel cruiser frame not only exudes vintage charm, but also provides sturdy durability. The single-speed drivetrain ensures a hassle-free ride, while the rear coaster brake guarantees reliable and instinctive stopping power. Moreover, its rear wooden rack adds a touch of practicality to the bike's thoughtful design. It's perfect for storing essentials like a towel, sunscreen, or a beautiful beach read. Plus, the extra-large cruiser saddle and easy-reach handlebar creates a comfortable and upright riding position, allowing you to soak up the scenery and enjoy a leisurely journey. Nevertheless, the bike seat is quite hard to get tight, but with a little patience and adjustment, this minor inconvenience can easily be overcome, ensuring you can fully embrace the comfort and pleasure of this beach cruiser. Still haven't found a starting bike that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. And the next one is the best performance, Royce Union RTT 24-inch mountain bike. The Royce Union RTT 24-inch mountain bike is an exceptional choice for outdoor enthusiasts seeking thrilling off-road adventures. Crafted with a lightweight, durable aluminum frame, this bike ensures easy handling on even the most challenging trails. Equipped with 21 speeds and smooth trigger shifting, the RTT allows you to switch gears, adapting to various terrains and inclines effortlessly. The RTT also boasts an eye-catching radiant silver frame with a glossy overcoat, ensuring you ride in style. The tire's knobby tread offers a solid grip, enhancing stability and control on trails and paths. Moreover, the slight rise handlebar promotes an upright riding position, minimizing strain on your back and shoulders, making your biking experience comfortable and enjoyable. Unfortunately, it doesn't come with a kickstand, so you need to buy it separately if you want to use it. And the next one is the best durable Mongoose Title Pro race bike. For those seeking the ultimate BMX race bike experience, look no further than the Mongoose Title Pro race bike. Its professional-grade 6061 Tectonic T1 biaxial hydroformed and butted aluminum frame ensure optimal strength and durability, allowing you to push your limits confidently. Additionally, the combination of the 50mm stem, sealed bearing headset, and 4130 chromo handlebar and fork results in optimal steering performance, ensuring quick and responsive handling on the racetrack. The wheel set of the Title Pro features Arison XLR8 20-inch tires mounted on exposure aluminum double-wall rims, ensuring excellent traction and durability. This bike guarantees smooth and reliable performance with a 10mm hollow axle sealed front hub and a 16T cog sealed bearing rear cassette hub. The aluminum linear pull brake and radius aluminum brake levers offer precision speed control, allowing you to navigate corners and maintain optimal speed confidently. The only downside is that the seats could be more comfortable. The next one is the best versatile Highland men's mountain bike. If you're searching for a mountain bike that combines cutting-edge technology with outstanding performance, look no further than the Highland H300. Its high-tech frame, crafted from light aluminum rims and frame, ensures durability and corrosion resistance, making it perfect for tackling any harsh outdoor environment. The internal shift cable and brake hose routing provides a seamless and sleek appearance while also enhancing the bike's overall performance. The Shimano shifter and derailleur with 24 speed offer precise and quick shifting, ensuring that you can effortlessly adapt to various terrains. The wide range of gears allows for seamless control during uphill and downhill descents. Additionally, the dual disc brakes provide superior durability and stopping power, significantly enhancing your safety during adventurous rides. Unfortunately, the bike's frame can be susceptible to scratches. However, with proper care and maintenance, this can be easily mitigated, allowing you to enjoy its outstanding performance for years. And our winner today is 630 Cruiser Bike. It's best overall on all starting bikes that we researched. The 630 Cruiser Bike offers an exceptional riding experience with its comfortable design and versatile options. Whether tackling demanding terrains or enjoying leisurely commutes, this bike covers you. The 21-speed Shimano Tourney derailleur and Easy Fire Plus shifter provide seamless gear shifting, allowing you to conquer any street or trail. The front and rear handbrakes ensure precise and effortless stopping power. Furthermore, the wide handlebars and foam grips offer excellent control and reduce strain on your back and shoulders. The 2.125-inch wide aluminum wheels with waffle tread tires smooth out bumps for a smoother ride. Additionally, this bike features a chain guard to protect your pant cuffs and a rear rack for optional accessories. The only downside is that the assembly instructions could be more detailed, but with a little patience, you'll have this bike ready to ride in no time. Okay, that's all for today, guys. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure to smash the like button to subscribe. And please tell us which products you would like us to review next in the comments section. And don't forget to check the description box for all the buy links of the products featured today. If you want to see more helpful tips, guides, and gear to enjoy the benefits of the great outdoors, all that great stuff, make sure to subscribe. Also, feel free to follow us on Twitter and Instagram and our Facebook page in the description as well. For anyone who's interested in camping, hiking, and outdoor activities, click like and follow us. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.